everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to download and install the IMO application. So for that, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Play Store, on the search bar you need to type in IMO and tap on search. There's the application on top. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. This process is for the Android user, so if you are using a iOS device, Mac or Apple, you need to go to the Apple Store to download the application. It's the similar process. You just need to tap on the search bar, type in IMO, and the search result will give you the application. You just tap on get and that application will be downloaded in your Apple device as well. The application is downloaded. Tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the IMO application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.